Today's preschool teachers often need to move their classroom furniture several times a day, and shifting tables means physical strain and lost instruction time. That's why Lakeshore has created 7 smooth-rolling preschool tables, the first and only mobile tables designed specifically for early childhood environments. Our new mobile preschool tables glide on casters so teachers can quickly and safely arrange them any way they want, in spaces of any size. The versatile tables make it easy for teachers to transform their classroom. For nap time, mealtime, whole group gross motor activities, or even messy outdoor activities. The perfect complement to our other early childhood furniture, this natural-looking table collection includes 4 shapes: rectangular tables in 3 lengths, round tables in 2 diameters, a trapezoid table, and a horseshoe-shaped group table. All 7 tables adjust from 18 to 26 inches high, giving the youngest learners the right fit. The tables feature top-quality construction, so preschool teachers can depend on them for lasting durability. Each tabletop has tough, easy-clean laminate on top and bottom, surrounded by a thick vinyl edge band to stand up to use in the early childhood classroom. With heavy-duty steel frames and legs, the tables are sturdy enough to be moved over and over. And all casters lock to keep the tables in place and let children work safely. Best of all, each mobile preschool table is backed by Lakeshore's lifetime warranty. To learn more about our flexible furniture options, visit us online at lakeshorelearning.com or give us a call. We're here to help.